Part of Mimetas in SysMedPD is the fact that we are using and further developing the organoplate platform, which is a platform for cell culture, to really be helpful in the development of treatments and understanding Parkinson's disease. And what we do is actually take normal cell culture and transform that into something that is really three-dimensional cell culture, where we really try and build little pieces of the brain that recapitulate the real brain as closely as possible. And it also allows us to take the cells, the very advanced cells that are being developed by different partners, and the advanced ways of measuring what these cells are doing that are developed by different partners, and merge them all together into a place where these cells are growing as closely as possible as they would be growing in the brain. So an important way that we actually are able to build these models closer to how the situation is in a real brain is that we use a technology called microfluidics, and that means that we are able to control liquids and the positions of cells and actually mimic a blood flow very tightly in a very tiny chip. And in the plate that our researchers are actually using, there are 100 of them together in one plate, which allows you to actually do screening. So we can take, we can generate a lot of data at a high throughput. That means that you can do fast research, and we will be able to answer all the questions that we have about Parkinson's disease a lot quicker instead of having to go one by one. Currently, research into this kind of disease in industry is very, very expensive and goes very, very slowly. And we are reducing these costs, and we're speeding up this research by giving industry the tools to actually do these experiments just in a test tube in a laboratory, instead of having to do this in a very roundabout way using a lot of patients and animal models. One of the remaining challenges in any kind of research, similar to what we're doing in SysMedPD, is to go from understanding and to go from leads for new medicine and from ideas of where to go to really solving this problem.